Itong phone na to is may slim unibody design na siya. Then, practical and durable, reliable na rin po. Yung kanyang body since IP64, dust and water resistance na rin. And high energy endurance na rin kasi may ultra-long battery na 5,200 mAh na rin ito with 18-watt fast charging support. Ito po siya 6.75-inch with 90Hz refresh rate. For today's video guys is may panibago naman tayong budget phone na i-review. At this time, ito nga ang pinakabagong entry-level phone ng Itel, which is the Itel CT100. Kaya naman alamin natin more kung ano pang kayang i-offer nitong pinakabagong Itel CT100. Kaya wag natin patagalin pa ka-techies. Ayan, magsimula na tayo. So yes, katekis, itong Itel CT100, it comes with fun ecosystem accessories. Meron po siyang mag speaker, meron din po siyang smartwatch Fit 025, and Buds Neo. Ayan po yung mga accessories niya. And so far, these are really good accessories para pang-pair nyo dito sa bagong Itel CT100. And looking at the box, this is the box of Itel CT100 guys. And there makikita nyo na mismo yung image ng phone. Straight out of the box, you can see there guys, the Itel CT100 itself. It feels surprisingly sleek. Kasi nga naman meron na siyang slim unibody design. So look at that guys. This is the design of our newest Itel CT100. Ang slim niya kateki. It only has 7.65mm thin body at yung weight niya is around 185 grams lamang. And what I like about this Itel CT100 is it comes with 3 stylish colors. So meron silang navy blue, etong fairy purple na hawak ko, and of course, ang kanilang pure titanium. The finish of this device, as well as you can see, it has smooth back finish but fingerprint resistant po siya. Kaya ang ganda po ng kanyang back design and I truly like it. Favorite ko itong kanilang fairy purple guys. Ang ganda. And look at the details at the back. Meron siya parang soft iridescent sheen that shifts subtly under light. Kung makikita nyo, ang ganda ng kanyang details, giving it a magical and almost whimsical glow. And ang maganda rin dito is IP64 dust and water resistance na rin siya. So kahit exposed na siya sa water or sa dust, hindi ka mag-aalala. Slim and unibody design na siya. So kung makita nyo po dyan, kapag nakalapat po sa flat surface, ito kanyang front screen is zero gap po siya. As you can see there. Diba? Sobrang flat lang po niya. Ang maganda rin dito sa Itel CT100 is durable na rin po siya. This one can drop up to 1.5 meter at hindi ka mag-aalala kasi hindi agad-agad siyang masira. That's how confident Itel is pagdating dito sa kanilang CT100 when it comes sa kanyang durability. Solid etong body ng device na to. And apart from that, may 60 months fluency guarantee din sila. Ganun po sila ka-confident sa kanilang device. And now, since the battery is one of the highlights of this device, itetest agad natin ang battery nito. Since diba meron po siyang ultra-long 5,200 mAh battery, supported siya ng 18-watt fast charging. So there guys, tinest namin ang battery na to. Of course, we used it all day from morning until afternoon and evening kung gaano po niya kami nasamahan, no? And we're using, of course, the data. By the way, yung data performance ito is maganda rin, ha? Maganda siyang sumagap ng signal din. 9:18, 100%. Up to 1:24 PM, naging 79% lang siya. For 6 PM, naging 55%. And ngayong gabi na, 8 PM, guys, may 16% pa siyang natira. So, true enough talaga that this phone has an ultra-long battery life. Yung battery niya, enough na samahan ka sa full vlogging experience mo in a day, or kahit maglaro ka in a day, or kahit magbabrowsing ka lang sa social media mo, ay talagang hindi ka mag-aalala with the battery of this device. Now, guys, pagdating naman sa kanyang screen, maganda na rin po, ha, in fairness, yung kanyang quality ng kanyang display. And imagine that this is just an entry-level phone nila. But look at the display, guys. Ang nipis na ng kanyang bezels. Ayan, though may chin pa siya, guys, pero ang lawak na ng screen niya. Kasi meron po siya 6.75-inch HD plus IPS screen. And of course, 90Hz refresh rate na rin po siya. So, sure, it's not full HD, but for scrolling through socials or watching vlogs or editing your next vlog, you can see there na bright naman din yung 700 nits display niya. And it is really smooth enough to keep up din naman. As you can see, very good naman yung aming experience dito at hindi naman kami na-disappoint sa kanyang smoothness and sa quality ng kanyang display. And may 83% wide color game mode na rin po ang device na to. So, it's an immersive experience din. And now guys, ititest na rin natin itong kanyang camera naman. So, as you can see there, meron siyang 13MP main camera and meron po siyang 8 megapixel front camera naman. So, we scroll the camera guys and it's perfect naman, no? Kasi for the social media uploads is decent na rin naman yung camera performance nito. It gets the job done naman. Pansin ko nga lang sa video recording is wala siyang stabilizer. So, yun lang po. But, you can video naman 1080p dito at 30 frames per second. Kahit hindi masyadong maganda yung lighting, as long as meron tayong LED flashes, is goods na po yan. Ayan, so nakita niyo naman dyan ang ating testing sa camera niya. So, nasa inyo na po yan. Kung ano yung masasabi niyo sa kanya, i-comment nyo down below. Kasi for me naman, it's decent enough na rin naman sa kanyang presyo. Ayan, sa performance naman po ng device na to, of course, we tested this also para makita nyo rin. It is powered by Unisoc T7250 chip. And meron po siyang up to 18GB RAM and 128GB storage naman. At ang maganda dito guys is pwede nyong expand yung external storage. May slot po siya for the SD card or micro SD card. And when it comes sa kanyang operating system naman is it runs Android 14 na rin. So latest na rin naman siya. So ayan, in fairness naman sa gaming experience namin guys, ayan, makikita nyo yung tunay namin siya sa COD. And kaya po niya yung high frame rate. And naka-medium graphic po tayo. And surprisingly, it's playable. Wala naman kaming na-experience na hard touch or lags dito sa game na ito. Though, do not expect no, na it can handle well sa mga heavy games or heavy editing kasi hindi siya ganun talaga ka-power. Knowing naman the processor of this device. But, sa mga basic needs lang guys, ay talagang napakaganda na ng device na to. So guys, now, natapusan natin na test ang phone na ito. Anong masasabi nyo dito? Ayan, importanteng malaman ko rin yung comment nyo sa comment section. Kaya feel free to comment down below. Now guys, nakita nyo na yung performance niya. For sure, nagtataka na kayo sa presyo nito. Alam nyo ba na itong Itel CT100 ay napaka-affordable lang nito? Ang option storage, 4 plus 128GB ROM, nagkakahalaga lang po siya ng 6,999 at yung 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM naman is nagkakahalaga lang po siya ng 7,999. Naku, napakamura na po yun sa performance na pinakita niya. At not only that, mabibili nyo pa po ito ng mas mura. Kaya abangan nyo yan guys. First launch nila sa TikTok. This coming July 4 to 7. Ayan guys, mark your calendars at huwag nyo kalimutan kasi for sure, mas mabibili nyo na po siya ng mas mura pa talaga. At may mga good deals pa yan or pa-freebies pa yan si Itel. Kaya abangan nyo. So ngayon guys, ang tanong, is this Itel CT100 worth it? Oh well, kung naghahanap kayo ng stylish device, ay makita nyo naman kung gaano po siya kaganda sa design pa lang, solve na. At kung naghahanap ka ng everyday phone that won't break the bank at maganda for content creation, long-lasting, ultra-long-lasting battery ba yung hanap mo? Kung naghahanap ka lang ng backup device, this one guys is a solid pick. Talagang ilagay nyo na to sa inyong bucket list kasi para sa akin, worth it na po yung device na to. So yun lang po ka-techie. Salamat po sa panonood na aking video. I hope na na-enjoy nyo po ang ating review ngayon. So ano yung masasabi nyo sa phone na to? Of course, don't forget to comment down below. At kung may mga gusto kayong i-feature din sa ating channel, don't forget to comment down below. Baka yan na yung next nating i-feature. Kaya ayun, maraming po salamat sa panonood ka-techies. Don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again ka-techies till my next video. Bye!